Get to the chopper.
We have started our Contiki off the South Island. We're about to get the ferry now from north to south. So we're on the way from Picton to Christchurch and we've stopped off in Kaikoura, which means eating crayfish. This is the beach at Kaikoura. We're on the way from Christchurch to, where are we going this evening? Franz Josef Glacier, and we've stopped at somewhere called Springfield, and they've got a donut here like off the Simpsons. We are currently in Franz Josef, where there's a glacier, and we're going hiking, well, probably not up the glacier, but around the glacier today, and we have a lot of food. Car park, which is only like a quarter of the way, but the views on the way were beautiful. Oh, look, there's snow! To the viewing point now of the glacier. Oh, it's definitely there. We're out on a river whose name I can't remember, called Lake Maporika. Now kayaking, apparently on the lake that was made when the Franz Josef Glacier melted. We're down a different bit of the river now, and there's loads of reflection on the water. The hedge, we're in a hedge. Oh dear, we boobed. There we go, we're out. We have leaves. They're apparently spicy. How long do you keep them in for? 10 seconds?
He said just bite them.
FYI, this is not rated as drinking water. Drink it at your own risk, but this is the
see if you
freshest
like the
that's there.
taste. If you do pop it back in, it takes about 10 seconds.
Oh, it only went for 3, I wasn't brave.
Oh, it's like peppery.
Yeah. It tastes.
Clove in there.
Yeah. It tastes like.
Oh no! Oh, not clove.
No, it's like.
Oh, that's a beautiful thing. Get a photo of that.
Please tell me you didn't.
It tastes like. It just tastes a little bit like cloves.
Pretty good, eh?
It tastes like a soap shop, but not too soapy. You know, like the smell in a soap shop, like a National Trust shop. Oh brothers, let's go down, come on down. Come on brothers, let's go down in the river to pray. Sailing away from the sunset, it is beautiful. We have landed in Queenstown and we're about to go up on some cable cars up to a Skyline restaurant. We've come up the Sky Tower and there is a buffet here and it literally has like all of the food. So much food. So up in the Sky Tower there's also a viewing deck and you can see all of Queenstown up here and it's just beautiful. It snowed overnight, so there's now snow on top of the mountains. Look at that. Look at Joe trying to take a selfie. I want to do a shot over jet, which apparently is a really fast boat ride somewhere near Queenstown. We've just done the shot over jet and it was awesome. We go down these rapids here on the speedboats and it goes so fast and you're doing turns and it's just awesome. We've come to a cookie bar and they have so many different types of cookies. So in the cookie place, they come in these bags and they have a vegan flavour. Ooh, it is squidgy. Hello. We're currently on the way to Milford Sound and we've stopped off at a grassy area that is apparently really grassy, and it's something to do with Lord of the Rings as well. We've now stopped at somewhere called Monkey Creek and you can fill your water bottle up in the river. How's it taste?
It's cold. It's sweet. It's good.
Milford Sound, and it is beautiful. It got windy. We're going through a waterfall.
Very close.
Yeah. Oh, there it is.
There's the spray.
Oh, yeah.
I feel like I'm balling right now.
This evening we've come out to an ice bar and it is super, super cold. Welcome to Ferg Burger in Queenstown. Just queued up for it, and we have the burger. We have the Ferg Burger. It's the falafel one, and it's huge. Look at the size of it. It's so good.
Did you get a good chunk of falafel?
I think so. Yeah. The Skyline Tower where we had dinner the other night to do some lugeing, and the views are just incredible here. We're about to go up on the shelf. We're currently on the way from Queenstown to Dunedin and we've stopped at a place called Arrowtown, that's a cute little town. It's really cute here. They've got like all little shops and I found a sweet shop.
It's really cute.
So many sweeties. We're on another stop off on the way to Dunedin and we've come to a massive fruit market. We've come to Dunedin and we're on a brewery tour of that brewery. We've got some cider to try.
I have beer.
Oh, it's nice, it's nice.
You can have another glass. Oh, mate, you overpoured.
Just running back from park run, potentially the hilliest park run I've ever done, with a danger me, but it held up. In Dunedin, there is apparently the world's steepest hill called Baldwin Street that we're about to walk up. Not gonna lie, it is looking pretty steep. We made it to the top. We're on the way down now. Gone for steps. Much easier.
And then for the vegans, I got that. Well, lactose. They're pear apples. They're nature's cookie.
After the walk up the hill, everyone got cookies, but we got these. They're like apple pears. They're like an apple and a pear had a baby. They're super yummy. We're currently on the way from Dunedin and we're going to Lake Ohau this evening, and we've come to Mauraki and they have boulders on the beach. I like this boulder. This is a nice boulder. We're in our last place to stay with Contiki. We're in Lake Ohau and we're just going down to the lake now. It's super sunny here. We're in like little lodges. The lake is beautiful. There's mountains. Happy times. currently walking down to the lake, and the views here are like, there are no words. They're just incredible. The lake is an amazing blue, and just everything. Come down to the lakeside now. Look at it. Jo's going in. She has no fear. Oh, she's got a little bit of fear. To the deck. We've got some hot tubs. Yes, super warm up here.
It's beautiful.
So good.
We've come to Lake Contiki on the way back to Christchurch. It's super windy outside, but the lake is like super blue because it's from melted glaciers. I have a kiwi berry. It's like a really, really small kiwi fruit. Apparently you can eat the whole thing.
These are so weird.
It's really good. No taste. Just like a really intense kiwi fruit. Look. We're at our final stop now in Christchurch. Our Contiki officially finished last night, but there's been a few of us hanging around for another couple of days. So we've gone to the Earthquake Museum this morning from the February 2011 earthquake when 185 people were killed here. These are 185 empty chairs, so each chair signifies someone that died in the earthquake. We've come to the food court in town, which is awesome because there's like loads of different food places that you can try and then all sit together, and I have a massaman curry and it is beautiful. Yep. So we've come to a cafe called C1 in Christchurch, and they've got loads of yummy things here. I have a salted caramel truffle, and apparently the toilet door opens really weirdly. I've come into the bathroom, and there's Harry Potter playing. It's Stephen Fry. So cool. We're now in Christchurch Airport and we're flying back to Auckland this evening for a couple of days of relaxation before heading back to snowy England.